Hello BovIQ farmers and ranchers. Today we're going to be showing you how to take a forage sample in the BovIQ mobile app using the clip dry weigh method. The forage sample card is helpful in figuring out available forage from year to year by knowing your pounds per acre, which is critical for setting up your land profiles and optimizing your grazing plan. The tools you're going to need to perform the forage sample include a sampling device, which you can build at home, a sample container like a cardboard box or a muslin sack, a measuring tape, a pair of scissors, and a kitchen scale capable of ounces and grams. The first thing to do is set up your sampling device, and it's important to pick a device that's suitable for the density of forage in your area. So for example, our western ranchers might prefer to use a 26-inch radius hoop because it's ideal for low density rangeland. Whereas in the fescue belt, a 17-inch quad frame will be better suited for high-density paddocks. There's multiple devices to choose from, and you can check out the list of options inside the forage sample card in the BovIQ mobile app. To begin, open BovIQ and locate the land profile where you want to collect a forage sample. Then tap Add Card and choose Forage Sample. This opens a new card where you can record data observations in the field. The first thing you want to record is the average height of the dominant forage species in the pasture. Basically, you need to know how tall the grass is on the day you collected the sample, for example 14 inches. Next, from the list of sampling devices, pick one that suits your area, like a quad frame, and toss it out into a representative spot of the pasture. Then divide the forage under the edges so that only the plants that are rooted inside the sampling device are included, and clip all the included forage at nearly ground level to simulate maximum grazing pressure from cattle. If the grass is tall, chop it into 3-inch pieces for convenience in drying. Finally, place all the clipped forage into a container and save a few photos of the site, one to the north, south, east, and west, plus one of the sample site itself. Okay, so that's how you do a forage sample card in BovIQ. More valuable calves, more productive land, it's in the cards.